Hello friends, today in this video we are watching the trendy wardrobe color combinations. So friends, if you like our videos then please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video. So let's begin the video. Wardrobe color combinations plays key role in the style and personal expression and even how others praise you. And the wearing colors that complement each other help you look put together and intentional rather than random of your wardrobe colors. And the vibrant purples from lavender to the deep plum of purples here are making the comeback of additional touch of luxury and creative for outfits. And pale blue and chocolate brown, the softness of pale blue of paired with the richness of chocolate brown. It's creative balance and elegant look and perfect for autumn season. And neon accents, these are incorporating of neon greens of pinks and greens of accents that added to the fantastic touch of your wardrobes and making bold statement without overwhelming the outfits. And before finalizing the install of wardrobes with specific color combinations, and here are key remember points. Make sure of fit your space and style and needs. And match or complement the wardrobe colors with the rooms of overall color palette of walls, floorings and curtains. All this of your wardrobes making stunning and earthy vibes of natural of earthy tones work well in the most of the rooms of bolder colors of suit modern and electrical styles. The lighting of the room of natural versus artificial light can make the colors of look different. Of darker wardrobes in dim rooms may have special feel of smaller of lighter tones can open the rooms of feel. And for smaller rooms go for lighter colors to make the of area feel spacious. Of larger wardrobes can handle darker or contrasting tones of more comfortable. And matte finishes give the modern and subtle look. Of glossy finishes of reflect light can be brighten of your room of show the fingerprints of easily. You can find the best and modern of trendy latest these wardrobe colors can style of your house. It's stunning and look of grace. And choose colors you want to tide off quickly. And trendy shades are fun but make sure they align with your long term of preferences. And lighter colors maybe show off stains of dirt more easily. And high gloss of mirror finishes require frequent cleaning to maintain their shine. And ensure the handles knobs of the fitting of complements chosen colors. And some color options or finishes may be more expensive. Ask if designs of allow for future repainting of vinyl wrap changes. And monochromatic combinations, all shades of grays or of beige tones. Its vibe of minimalistic, modern, calming, and the best for sleek and contemporary spaces. And another one is the contrast combinations, the white and navy blue of black and gold of walnut and cream. It's bold and stylish and attention of grabbing. And the future wardrobes of statement of peace for your houses. And natural palette that means whites, grays, tepu and sand ivory. It's elegant and timeless and adaptable. It's best for any room of safe and classic. And another one is the warm tones. It's of chocolate browns and beige and terracottas of cream of amber and olive. This cozy and natural and welcoming vibe for your house of its suit for traditional or rustic interiors. And one more is cool tones. It's sky blues of white of mint greens and grey on teal and ash. It's of vibe of calm and refreshing and modern. It's best for modern and coastal themes of your houses and rooms. And another one is the wood finishes and solid color. That the wood on matte white and walnut of pastel. This balance and natural of means of moderns and it best for mixed style of interiors and semi-modern homes. And the pastel color for your wardrobes. It's spotted blue of soft pink and mint and lilac. It's soft and playful and youthful. It's best for kids' rooms and feminine space and relaxed vibe. And another one is a two-tone modern combination for wardrobes. It's example of black, oak, wood, white, navy and grey and blush pink. It's a vibe of clean and bold and fresh and